Oh, Boo's excited. All right, guys, you can see Monkey Boo's hair is really fluffy. It's kind of dry, but not all the way. He just got out of the bath. We're gonna try. He always likes to blow her in the vacuum, so we're gonna blow dry Boo's hair. not your throat, silly. Oh, you like that? Can you get your belly? Oh, does that feel good? Let me draw your backside. It's warm again. Oh, it's so good. Nice and warm. Look at that pretty hair, Boo. Let's do his tail one more time. And his leashes. Alright, Boo. Let's take a look at your luxurious hair. Get right here. Good boy. Can we look at your hair? Oh, Boo. Let's look from the top. Oh, that looks fabulous. Down your back, let's see. Oh, nice and soft and shiny. Oh, Boo, let's see. Can we see the tail? Oh, look at the tail, Boo. It's so beautiful. It looks so nice. Yes. Boo, you're a super clean monkey. Let's check your nails. How they look underneath. Backside. Looking pretty good there, Boo. Let's check behind his ears. Oh, he's all clean. Inside of his ears are clean. You look really good. You feel good? Do you feel all refreshed? Yeah? You ready to play and have a good time? Well, shake my hand. Good boy. You got a kiss for me? He's like, man, I love the hairdryer. One more time. You like doing that?